Good morning, everybody. My name is Paritosh Maurya, and today I am going to talk about the nutrition in animals. We take food in our daily life, like we take different types of food, like fruits, vegetables, roti, chapatis, bread, etc. in our daily life. We take fast food, breakfast, dinner, different types of, like we take burger, pizzas, and many other types of food. So in this chapter we will talk about nutrition in animals. First we will talk about how does nutrition take place in humans. First, the nutrition starts from our mouth. Inside our mouth, this is called our buccal cavity. In our buccal cavity consists of 4 types of teeth, and total there are 32 teeth. There are 4 types of teeth, and the first is incisor in cutting, and canine in tearing, premolar in crushing, and molar in biting. Total they make first on the upper jaw it is total 16, and on the second jaw it is 16. So 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. So and the next step is about our food pipe. The food after chewing the saliva mixes with the food and go through the food pipe into our stomach. In stomach there the food goes, and then partially the bile is secreted. When the bile is secreted, the food is partially digested and go into the intestine. The intestine digested the whole food and go into the large intestine, where the large intestine throughout the when in the small intestine, there are finger-like projection which absorb the nutrients from the food, and the waste material goes to the large intestine. The large intestine throw the waste material from the anus. And let's talk about the nutrition in animals. Animals like ruminants. Ruminants have 4-chambered stomach called rumen, and the digestion and the process is called rumination. For example, take cow. When cow eat grass, which is rich in cellulose, when cow chew it, it goes to the first part of the stomach, where it is partially digested. And when the cow is resting, you must have seen that when the cows or buffaloes are resting, they chew food that time also, and this time the digested food, which is partially digested in the first chamber of the stomach, goes bring back to the mouth of the ruminants, and they chew it again. Then the food goes to the chambers when it's fully chewed, and then is digested, and the digestive juices are secreted, where the nutrients are absorbed and the waste material are thrown out of the body. Let's talk about the amoeba. Amoeba is one single cell-like structure which is found in the ponds. It is a single-like structure and feeds on small organisms. The amoeba is can have a projection-like body midst called pseudopodia, which helps it to move and change its size, or it can change its size also and move from one place to another. Whenever it's and used to take in food, and whenever it senses food, the amoeba pushes out its pseudopodia and take in that single-like organism into it, where the organism go into the food vacuole and the digestive juices are secreted. The undigested food are throughout of the body, and the digested food grew bigger in the amoeba body. Thanks.